Good morning! Happy Sunday, guys! It is now 11 in the morning, I think. Kanina pa kami gising and we don't know where Daddy is. Where's Daddy? Do you know?
Upstairs in
Oh, is he?
bedroom.
Huh?
Upstairs in
Arlo's bedroom? Is he?
bed.
Is he sleeping? Really?
He said he'll be out in 30 minutes.
Ah.
Oh,
Happy day! I thought he's out and about. Nasa kwarto lang daw pala. Tapos na kami kumain lahat because I heard yesterday na meron daw siyang work na kailangan gawin today. Akala ko umalis na. Akala ko nagpunta na sa ibang properties namin. Ewan ko. Wala pala. Nandito pala. So baka akala niya Monday today. Good morning, my love! Good morning! Mwah.
My head is falling.
Your head is hurting? Do you want mommy to massage your head? Nakapag-edit ako ng video. Natapos ko yung in-edit ko kahapon. So sabi ko, let's vlog. Meron akong package dito from Shein, guys. Orla, do you wanna open the package? There. I think I got some shoes for you. I-check ko lang yung quality ng shoes sa Shein. Do you wanna open it here? Huh? Yeah, that one. Wait. Let me open it properly because I'm pretty sure I'm returning stuff. Okay. Happy day! Oh, a present for Liana. So I got this present for Isla's best friend. Malapit na yung birthday niya. And she requested karaoke and slime. That's for Ate Liana, okay? Oh, these are... Do you wanna sit down? These are your t-shirts for sports day. So I ordered all the colors kasi...
I'm not red.
What color are you? We don't know yet.
Green.
You were green last time, but if you're a different color, then we don't have those colors. So I just got everything. So, si Arlo din in-orderan ko.
Whoa.
Whoa! She's doing the whole. She's showing you guys. So I got 2 reds, 2 yellows, 2 greens, 2 blues. Like yung mga sizes nila. Para meron na sila. But I still don't know. Kung anong kulay nilang dalawa. We got...
I said birthday on slime.
Liana slime is not here. I'm not buying the slime from there. This is the shoes that I got for you. Look at this!
A wig?
So
Why do we have a
cute!
wig?
That's not a wig. I'm not sure what that is. This is for you!
What's inside it?
Because you wanted a white one? This looks big, ate. Yes! Do you wanna try this on? Try it on. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute! Guys! And I like it because wala siyang branding at all. Walang nakalagay na kung ano-anong sulat-sulat. And look at that. It's just a plain white one. Isla wanted a white...
Yeah, because they know not to wear black.
Not allowed?
Yes.
I think this is not your size, baby. Too big. Wrong foot. Too big?
No.
Indy, what are you doing? I got you this one. Indy, look. I got shoes for Didi, I'm pretty sure. Here. Oh my gosh, that's too big. Oh, that's Alo's. I'm sorry, that's not for you. That's Alo's. Is it too big or just right?
That's right.
Sige daw. This one. Alo, I got your shoes. It looks so good. And ang gaan-gaan, ha?
And toys?
Alright, no toys. We don't need toys. We need to declutter your toys. Oh my god. Oh, babe, it's so big. Isn't it? Look.
Mama's my shoe.
I
Mommy,
don't
that my
think you can
shoe.
run properly with that. This is yours, but I think
Can I wear it?
this is gonna be too big for you. Look how nice this one
Can I wear
is.
it?
Yeah, of course you can, but let me check, okay? Look, that's Alo's.
You just wanted to come.
Here, Alo.
You just wanted me to come here. Mom, this is oil.
That's for Liana.
Oh.
Try this on Alo.
No. Oh, it's,
Size didn't get you,
Mommy
Bob.
and
It looks
Mama.
too big, yeah? This fits you, Kuya.
yeah, mommy. Is it?
Yeah.
There's birthday and mommy dinosaur.
That looks good, Kuys.
Mommy.
Ayla, I need to return yours. This is too big.
Mommy.
I'll get you a smaller size.
Can we wear this if we go and you on this birthday?
Yeah, you can if you want. I'll get you a size smaller, Baba, but this looks really good. That one has wording on it.
What's that green thing?
It says easy fashion for Arlo. Just an extra sneakers for Arlo. Meron siyang extra, kaya lang disintas. Ito, ito disintas yung itsura niya, pero ano talaga siya, velcro talaga siya, gaya nung kay Indy. And gusto ko lang itry din yung mga sapatos nila. It looks like this, oh. Ang cute nito. That's nice. I like that. So we'll keep Arlo's. We need to change Ate's because it's too big. Bakit ganun? Ang laki mo kay Ayla. Same size lang naman ito ng ano niya. Ang gamit niya ngayon. Gusto niya ng white sneakers kasi. Kahit black naman yung sa uniform nila. So, sabi ko, bilhin ko na lang sa Shein para extra lang. Kasi ito nga yung mga t-shirts. Kaya lang hindi ko pa alam kung anong kulay nga sila. Pero parating na kasi yung sports day. Just plain t-shirts. Yung red lang yung hindi plain. Yun lang yung merong print. Kasi wala ako nakitang red na plain. Yung red nila, merong nakaganon. Merong finger heart. Asa na yun? Ayan. Oh. Pero at least red na red talaga. Kasi last time yung sports day ni Ayla, pinasuot ko sa kanya, para siyang ano, parang not neon green. Para siyang ano, parang yellow-green. Sabi niya, Mommy, they said I'm wearing yellow, not green. So ngayon, bumili ako ng mga sobrang ano talaga, solid colors talaga ba. Like green talaga to, alam niyo yun? So, i-keep muna natin to dito. And we'll see kung anong kulay sila next. I also got these. Ano siya guys? For like yung long sleeve blazers na mahaba na gusto mong paiklian. It's like a band para magstay yung mga long sleeve mo. Look at this girl. You're a Smurf? Meron siyang blue. She's a Smurf. She made her little corner here. May ano pa dyan. Teddies. So, nilipat ko yung plant dyan, dito. Kasi Indy was playing here as well. And parang na-move kasi yung plant. Or natatouch nila ba. So, kinuha ko. And there they are. Pero okay lang yan. Mag-clean up yan later. Magaling naman to mag-clean up tong batang to. Itong batang bail. Oh. You gonna change clothes now? Yeah.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. Then how could you now? A part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror and find me window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice.
Nasa labas sila eh. Narinig ko umiyak na ano daw siya, natumba. Natumba ka? You wanna help Mama? Oh, head? Oh, Mommy kiss head? A helmet? You wanna wear a helmet? Hey, good job. Oh, to protect your head. Oh, good idea. Yeah, very good idea. Let me see. Oh! You're smart, kid. You wanna show the guys? Look. Oh! Hi, guys. Feels better? Yeah? You better now?
Daddy.
Daddy, you wanna play with Daddy? Daddy's cleaning outside. Hmm?
Come before you ever know.
And look, Mom, it is just there.
Beep, beep.
Mom, go up there and I'll push her. Let's
Okay.
And this.
Do you wanna go up here? I think she wants to stay there so she can dig. You wanna dig or you wanna go up here?
Yeah.
Maybe get off first.
And then I'll just carry it.
Good wearing helmet, Didi. Ay, is Kuya helping you? Ball. She wants to play with the ball now. Ball! Ikaw na talaga naka-helmet, Inday.
What's up? Mommy, I bumped in the sand. It was not cool.
That's right, yeah.
It fall down.
She's got safety on. Oh my gosh, ka cute. You are so cute.
Mommy, watch.
Hmm. Ooh.
Mommy,
Ay!
watch it.
Nagtuwad-tuwad ng isa dun. Good job, Kuya. Good running! Whoa! Good kick! How about Didi? Can Didi kick?
Watch.
Uli, parang may hindi one tong isa. Hindi. How old are you? Oh, you okay, Kuys?
Mom, watch this.
Good job. Yung suot ni Indy, size 3 yan. Isa yan sa mga kinuha ko dun sa mga basket ni Ayla ng mga damit niya noon. And sabi ko, okay na to kay D. Okay nga, size 3. Kasya na sa kanya.
Good.
Didi, how old are you? How old are you?
Boo. Boo indeed. Boo. Boo indeed.
Boo!
Boo. Boo. Boo indeed. Boo.
Guys, kami na talaga nasa Kmart.
Oh my god. These Tava squishies are so sticky.
Kailangan bumili ni Dan ng ano, yung
I don't know
goggles
what the heck
para
this
sa
is.
kapag naglalaro ng Nerf gun. So, yun yung pinunta namin dito. But, alam niyo naman itong mga batang to. Dapat tumingin-tingin. Oh, look!
Oh,
A pink dragon, gold dragon. Lots of dragons, Ayla. Wow. I can hear
I think
Indy.
that is a Tava squishy.
A what squishy?
A Tava squishy.
What's that? What's that? Is it a baby? Oh, you want it?
It's a Kai, Mommy.
Huh?
It's a Kai, Daddy said.
Oh my gosh, is that the mask?
Yeah.
Oh wow, toys. Are you getting that?
Yes.
Why are you guys getting toys?
Because Daddy said it's yeah, cute. Mommy,
Yeah.
that cool.
That is very cool and very giant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, Daddy has, and we have swords right there. What? And then Daddy has the mask.
Oh my
And
gosh.
Daddy has the mask then.
He's got his own mask?
You down there.
Really?
Like the same way.
How about me?
Mommy, you down there.
I
And
did.
The same mask.
I can see, yeah, I can see it. There's a mask down there, guys.
A drone.
Yeah, that's a drone.
A plane.
Indy, what is that? Is that your baby?
Can we play now, Mom?
Not yet, Bob. You know you have to pay for it first. Look at this. Siya din. Gusto niya din bumili.
Oh yeah, that one.
Then when we find each other,
Is that you, baby? Yes. I know, so many. That's great for party bags. Oh, that's
I'm
cute.
getting these all like. All like.
Oh my gosh, look at all these guns. We used to ban these. Now, pwede na daw kasi si Arlo. Kasi may, naglalaban na silang dalawa eh. Siya din kasi, may mask din siya. Ayun siya. Ang happy-happy ni Dudong.
These mommy. These socks.
Bakit tayo nagsha-shopping ng toys? Kakasabi ko lang magde-declutter ako ng toys. Sinabi ko kay Dan siguro the other day, sabi ko magde-declutter ako ng toys, ilalagay ko sa balikbayan box. Sabi niya, magde-declutter ka pala ha. Tara at mamili. Parang buang. Ha?
what's on sale for $4?
Yours. Yeah, you can scan. Go scan. Other side? At the bottom, eh? The bottom? Need... How much is it? You didn't do it? My love, I'll let you buy it, my love. Because it's on
I
sale.
went right back in. I didn't ask him, so pretty cool.
Alright.
Ali, are you sure you want that one, man? I reckon it's too
Mom,
big
guess
for you.
what I have?
Come here,
This
look at
like.
I don't think he... Do you think he needs any more guns? He's got like 5 guns at home.
Like 20. Oh, so.
Now he needs to practice that one again. At least the other ones, he already knows how to...
Yeah,
The other ones he already knows how to do.
Put this in your hand. Let me see you hold this in your hand. Hold it right here. Hold it right here.
Practice na naman to. Matigas kasi itong mga to.
It's too big for you. You can't even reach the trigger. You can't even
Yeah.
reach the trigger, man.
Let me try it all in. Let me
It's
try
too
it.
big for you.
Can I try?
That looks very
Hello?
cool though, Alo.
You get a different toy. We've got guns at home.
I'll show you all.
You choose a different toy.
Daddy, can I try?
Give it to Daddy, Alo. Sorry. That's it. Oh, flybys, my love.
Mama?
Hmm?
And then after this, can we open them?
No, when we get home.
Okay.
Dad,
That's okay. It's not a long way.
can I hold it in the car?
You can hold it, yeah. But not open it. Yes. Dito na kami sa Kohl's. Tapos na kami sa Kmart.
Mom,
Bili tayo sushi hub. Nandun na si Daddy nagbabayad. Ang busy, guys. You want that? You're right. Oh, kala ko ito yung umiiyak. Kanina umiiyak ko eh.
Trying to think of something clever or just any word, but there's a lot of it inside a head. If I knew how, I'd let you have it. In the halo of the street lights, stomach turning like a rerun. Lucky girl, he's so attentive. If only you had tried to let him know anything at all. How could he ever see the signs if there's none of them around? A part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't look in the mirror to find me when
You ready to eat? Ready?
I please have milk.
Yeah. Here, Alan.
Ready? Steady. Look at her face. Look at this face, Dada. Yummy. Yum yum? I know. May sushi hub dun. So, nakabili kami. Nagpunta kami sa ibang shop eh. Kasi, chinek ni Dan before kami pumunta sa Kmart kung meron sila ng mask. Kasi yun yung importante. Para kapag nag-gun battle sila ni Arlo, protektado ang kanilang mga muka. Nakaban kasi nga yung baril dito. Tapos, recently, pinayagan na namin si Kuya na pinayagan na namin si Kuya. Kasi alam niya na naman na wag barilin yung mga tao. Pero minsan kasi na ano niya yung trigger accidentally. May one time tumama sa aking agtang na hindi niya sinasadya. Alam mo yun. Tapos na-enjoy din kasi ni Dan. Naglalaro silang dalawa. Oh my gosh! She's gonna finish this whole thing. My goodness. Daddy! So I got my favorite spicy salmon nigiri. This is mommy's spicy. No! Soy sauce? Yabang talaga itong batang bael.
Dad, why does it say 5 plus?
It's for, 5 years old and above. Ay, naku, Didi. Na.
She got on her nurse now.
Thank you. You helping mama? Yung kinakain ni Indy is tuna salad sandwich.
Mom,
Mauubos niya to. Sa kanya na to
I'm
lahat.
trying to eat it so I can get it. It smells so good. I want to smell.
Ayun yung mukha.
And that is chicken leg.
Good eating, beautiful. Yum yum?
No.
I know.
I want a little bit.
Got this? Look at that.
Good job,
That's
Indy.
A little bit.
And nag-order ako ng Wagyu nigiri. Ready?
No.
Wait. Actually, you can have this. This is not spicy. But finish yours.
Well,
Good. Oh my lord.
I mean, no.
Daddy, on Leon's birthday, can we play together with this?
it's up to her. We'll give it to her birthday. I don't think she's going to open it up on her day. We'll give it to her, but she'll take it home.
What? Where's her birthday?
We're still trying to work it out.
I know. Ah, sige, ikaw.
I'm done.
Good job! Oh, wow! We finished his lunch.
Good job, Alan. Good job, Alan.
Good job, Kuya. You can open your toy now.
Okay. Can you help me?
Sabi namin, hindi pwede i-open yung toy hanggang hindi na nakakain yung
Can I
lunch.
give this to the poor kids?
No. I
Oh my gosh! Kuya! Oh my gosh! Loki, show the guys.
Hi guys, I had this. Hi guys. So hi guys, I actually got the best one. I got Hello Kitty. Tuxedo was my favorite. Hi guys, I got a Hello Kitty. She smells good. Hi guys, I have a mask. I got this, and I got this squishy and this. Hi guys.
I like a Hello Kitty.
And I got these little dinosaurs. Hi guys, I have a mask. Hi mask. Hi guys, I have a mask. And I have this one. And guys, I just put this in and I'll show you.
Sit next to Ate. She wants to say happy
I feel like I want to put this in.
Ay, let's sit.
And then D. Pop. Indy. Pop.
Pide.
See that?
Pull it
That's
up.
fun.
Bye-bye, like that. Wow! Good job, Didi! What's that?
Really?
Who? Say Hello Kitty.
Baby.
Hello Kitty. Say Kitty. Oh.
You can put Surgery Mom. Daddy, your gun is more awesome than mine. Daddy, where's the sword?
What do you get this one again?
Can I put these in? Oh my god, it's not in.
Are these cute, Didi?
Really? Tanty Pack my luggage up, my mini luggage. And then this. And then. Oh my god, what is that?
Hindi helping you.
And then laptop. Can I have this?
You guys, mag-edit tayo. Kakaalis lang ni Dan, ni Ayla, at saka ni Arlo. Alis na naman sila, guys. It's now 4:09. Hindi kasi namin nakompleto yung shopping namin kanina. Gusto kasi bilhin ni Dan yung prutas namin sa Tony and Marks talaga. So, kung napansin nyo kanina, walang fruit and veg. Kasi hindi niya binibili sa Kohl's. Gusto niya doon talaga sa Tony and Marks. Tapos nandun din kasi yung butcher na gusto niya bilhan ng meat. So, kanina wala ding meat kanina. Except for Ayla's ham, I think. For like her ham and cheese croissant for lunch. Pero yeah, kailangan namin yung fruit and veg at saka mga meat para sa mga bata. Back to school na guys ng Tuesday. So, Sunday ngayon. Monday yung last day ng school holidays ng mga bata. Tapos, Tuesday na talaga yung start ng school nila. Well, kay Ayla. Kasi si Arlo, he starts Wednesdays. So, yeah. It was so busy kanina. As in, tapos, ang daming may dala ng cart. Tapos kami pa, may cart at saka may pram. So, it was not easy. Usually talaga hindi kami magkasama kaming lahat na nagsha-shopping. Kanina lang talaga, sinama kami ni Dan kasi nga gusto niyang pumunta ng Kmart. Nag-toy shopping ang mga bata. So, sumama kami. Hindi ko nga alam hindi ko na-expect. So, nakapambahay lang ako. Pero nung nagpunta kami ng Kmart, nagpalit ako ng jeans. Ang pinalitan ko yung shorts ko. Anyway, mag-edit lang ako ha. Habang wala ang mga bata. Baka makatapos pa ako ng isa.
Mama said she got here crying for the whole day.
Yep.
When can you stop hearing crying? When can you hear crying?
I can't. I can only hear you if you're not crying. That's good.
So can you hear me?
I can hear you now, yeah.
Can you hear me?
You're not crying. Oh, yeah, I can hear everyone.
Oh, right.
No one's crying. Say, oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Mom did my
Kids are having
Mommy,
pasta with red sauce and meatballs. Ako, ininit ko yung lechon kawali na in-order ko kahapon.
Mama,
So, I'm having lechon kawali and rice. Huh?
can I? Okay.
Happy day!
Have milk. Girl.
Milk? Yeah.
Hello, come on in. I need a pee.
Oh, go pee, go pee.
I need pee. Can you close the lights?
Come on. I'll turn the lights on here.
Okay.
And si Daddy, ano daw yung kanya, tortellini with carbonara sauce. Nagluto ako ng carbonara. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan, tas may natirang sauce. So, ubusin niya yung sauce. Itong sauce na to, leftover sauce din to. Ito yung sauce ni Sharon. Na inano ko, sinave ko, ferniz ko lang. Yeah, I know. Yung milk.
Okay.
That's why, okay. Didi. Come on, sit down, Kuya. Finish your food. Look at Ate. Ate's eating, Indy's eating.
I forgot to flush the toilet.
You forgot to flush?
Yeah.
Alright, go quick, flush. O, diba? Ako na talaga nakapag-press on nails. Meron kasi ako mga natirang press on dun. Pinapili ko si Ayla. Ito yung pinili niya. So, ako na talaga may pa-Sailor Moon na press on nails. Glino ko lang yan, guys. Siyempre, tinanggal ko muna yung old press on ko. So, since I went back to press on, ito na yung pangalawa. Yung una, very subtle lang yun. Sa style ko yung nakuha. Actually, ito yung style din to. Ito yung kabila. Yung gamit kong glue is ito. In-order ko lang to sa Amazon. And yung last set ko, nag-last siya ng 1 week and 2 days ata today. Tinanggal ko lang siya kasi nag-crack yung press-on mismo. Like, nag-crack siya sa gitna. Oh no! Oh no! Nakahubad kasi nag-watermelon to eh. Oh no, you're shooting everyone! Yeah, anyway, hindi pa sana yung papalitan kasi hindi pa nagtatanggalan. Kaya nga lang nagka-crack yung press-on mismo. Yung dito ba, nagka-crack siya sa gitna. Tapos, it's very annoying kasi yung hair, it gets caught. Like, kapag pinapaliguan ko si Ayla, sinashampoo ko si Ayla, yung buhok niya, sumasabit, pati yung buhok ko. So, pinalitan ko na lang. But, yeah. Sana ito hindi magsabit-sabit. Hindi naman siguro. I don't think so. Pero ako na talaga ang may pa-Sailor Moon na press-on nails. Ganyan siya, oh. Galing, di ba? Basta marunong ka lang mag-apply para lang siyang hindi press-on. Ito yung kabila.